Hey everybody, I just had this Eagle Carports garage put up, which came with a commercial roller door, which won't accept the garage door openers because of this. So today I installed Chamberlain belt drive, stock out of the box. Turn on the light. I don't have electric yet. I'll get rid of this extension cord. Follow the book on programming. It gave me some trouble, but I wasn't pushing them at the same time. Once I did that, it worked great. So there you go. That's how you can put an inexpensive garage door opener on a roller door. This is an 8-foot door, and I didn't use the 8-foot extension.